It is snowing outside and I have no idea how much snow I am supposed to get today, but that is okay. I'm here at Walgreens and I'm excited to share with you guys some deals. There is some Fetch Reward deals that I want to get. There's also some Ibotta deals. I always try to hit those Ibotta deals and a couple other things. So let's go inside and have some fun while we're shopping. So here we have the Degree Women, or you can get the Degree Men deodorant, the spray deodorant. Now there's two different scenarios that you guys can do. Now I heard that you do not have to mix, or you don't have to get two of the same ones. You can mix and match according to the digitals now. So if you want to try it at your own risk, definitely go for it. But we currently have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon. So these are $7.49 at buy one get one 50% off. If you don't have the digital coupon, see if your store has this little hang coupon for $1 off, and I'll give you two different scenarios for it. So get them for $7.49. You either get 2 women's or you get 2 men's, but you're going to use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $7.23, but with Fetch Rewards you get 2,500 points when you purchase 2 of the same ones. Then you can also get 665 points with Shopkicks, which is $2.66, making it just $2, and there's also for the men's $2.07 or $1 for each, which is a pretty great deal. If you guys don't have that digital coupon and you choose to use 2 of the Peely coupons, you will end up paying $9.23. You'll get the 665 points for the Shopkick, and then you will also get the 25 points for the deodorant, or for the Fetch Rewards, making it $4.07 or just $2.03 each. It says you can mix and match however you want to do that, but for the Shopkick deal you got to do the spray deodorant. So there you go. So here we have the Dollar Shave Club shaving cream. So you can get them for $6.99, or if your store has the gel, for $5.99. So the $5.99 one, you're gonna buy 2 of them. You will end up paying just $8.98. These are buy one get one 50% off. There's currently a deal with Shopkick, or with Fetch Rewards, where you get 1,500 points for every one that you buy. So you'll end up getting $3 back with Fetch Rewards, and you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. If you want, you could get the $6.99 ones at buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $10.48, get $3 back with Fetch Rewards, plus you get that $5 register reward, making it $2.48 or just $1.24. You can do both of these, but you have to do them in a separate transaction because of the $5 register reward. But Fetch Rewards is a limit of 5, so you can do this deal twice if you want to go ahead and do that. So the Reese's this week are the deal of the week. They are on sale for $2.99. Now we currently have $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. It is from the Walgreens booklet that you can use for the Reese's and all that fun stuff. So your final price ends up becoming just to be $4.98 or $2.49 if you have some hankering for some chocolate. The Brock's jelly beans are on sale this week, along with like the Nerds, the Dunkin', all this stuff. These are 2 for $6. We currently have a coupon for $1 off of 2, so you guys end up getting 2 bags for $5. I'm currently going to get the jellies or desserts of the world to do a taste test for. Then I got to figure out what other flavor I want to get, but great deal if you guys need some jelly beans. The Soft Soap Body Wash is on sale this week for $4.99. The Irish Spring is not. It is just the soft soap. But these are $4.99. We currently have $1 off digital coupon. You can mix and match however you want, but you'll end up paying just $8.98. When you purchase the 2, you will get a $5 register reward, making it $3.98 or $1.99 each. Another thing to do is make sure you guys check all of your oral care. Like I have this Fix-It-In for clearance for 80 cents. We have these scope tabs for 60 cents on clearance. I had some Burt's Bees 60 cents. If your store has any of those on clearance, definitely get them because they will be free, because you get, oh actually never mind, that's for Tom's. But then 60 cents for the Burt's Bees. We got 85 cents for that Sensodyne that I got last week. They got 53 cents, 98 cents, 80 cents. This is not the right product. And then they have some other deals, but make sure you guys are checking out your clearance if you haven't. So here we have the Colgate toothpaste on sale this week for $3.99. Now we currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You will end up paying just $3.98. This is a deal of the week, so you might have to do them in separate transactions, but you will get a $4 register reward, making them both for free. So here we have the Palmolive dish soap. Now these are $1.29 on sale this week, so I know the blue one's $1.29. This is $1.29 on clearance, and my green one is actually 99 cents on clearance. We do have a 50-cent coupon that you guys can get. Basically, you would pay just 79 cents for this. Otherwise, this one will be 49 cents, which is an awesome deal. So make sure you guys are checking out your prices. If you guys need some garbage bags, make sure you welcome yourself to Walgreens. But if you guys need some garbage bags, the Complete Home Walgreens brand is on sale for $6.99. This is a 50 count, tall kitchen bags, 50 count. So great price if you guys need some. They're not as great quality, but they still work if you need to get garbages. So here's a good clearance find. My store has these Mystery Squad Squishimals. These are on clearance for $1.49. The UPC ends with the 1188. If you guys need some stuff for like your Easter baskets, that is a great price. So definitely check that out. So here you can buy the Crest toothpaste for $3, and we currently have a $2 off digital coupon that you guys are going to use. Then we're also going to get the Glide toothpicks on sale for $4, and we currently have a $2 off digital coupon. You will end up just paying, it's $9, you will end up paying, I didn't write this down, you guys, I'm sorry, but it'll be $7. You'll take that 4 away, making it, you'll pay $3. You'll get that $4 register reward, which is a deal of the week. So if you're doing the Colgate deal, make sure you separate them. But you'll end up getting that $4 register reward back, making this a $1 moneymaker. Here's a great deal on some Cheez-Its if you guys like it. These are $3.99 on sale. They're currently buy one, get one free. It does say 2 for $6, so I don't know if it'll change it to $3 or not. I won't know until I purchase the product, but $3.99 at buy one, get one free. We currently have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You'll end up just getting them for $2.99. That is like $1.50 a box, which is a pretty decent deal. Hello everybody on this snowy day. I had to record in my van, otherwise I was gonna go home, but I got stuff that I don't want my kids to see, so we are gonna film in the van. So yeah, it is snowing outside. I'm currently at the Walmart parking lot because I had to run here, and then I'm like, okay, I've been not feeling very safe in the parking lot at Walgreens the last couple weeks, if you guys noticed. There's just been a lot of stuff going on. I feel safe, but I don't feel safe when I'm sitting in my car. So there's just sometimes you just gotta get out. So yeah, so let me dig in and share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the Cheez-Its. These were, I totally forgot to check my receipt. So these were, she forgot to scan one of them, and then my coupon wasn't coming off. And I'm like, what's going on here? And she totally forgot to scan the second one. So they rang up 2 for $6, okay? So these are $3, you guys. $3 for Cheez-Its. You're gonna use that 1 off of 2 digital coupon. We do have printable coupons, so it's either one or the other. But you could get 2 boxes for $2, you guys. That is $1 a box, which is an awesome deal. My kids love eating Cheez-Its, so anytime you can get a great deal on some Cheez-Its, definitely go ahead and get those. I ended up getting the jelly beans. These were 2 for $5. Why didn't I write this down? Sometimes I do deals where I don't think about it. I think these were 2 for $5, I think. Seriously, Jennifer, I don't have my phone on me all of a sudden. I lost my phone. But those were Usually I write this stuff down, but sometimes I get so excited for deals that I forget to write it down, and I didn't scan it. I think these were 2 for $5, and then there is that $1 off a 2 digital coupon, making them just like $4. So I ended up getting that Wonders of the World, and then I got some black jelly beans. My mom's obsessed with black jelly beans, so I don't eat candy fast enough, so by the time she comes to visit me, she'll end up like polishing them off. These are the items that I did not want my children to see, but these were originally $5.99. My store said they just marked them down yesterday, but these were on clearance for $1.49. Now my kids aren't into like Squishmallows. They are. We have a couple of them, but my kids love like blind boxes and stuff, and when I can get a blind thing for $1.49, I'm gonna stock up and do it. So I got 2 of each one, or I got 2 of them for each kid, so can't go wrong with $3 for blind bags. So I ended up getting that. The next deal I got was the Crest and the Oral-B. So this was $4, this was $3. I had a $2 off digital and a $2 off digital. You guys would pay $3 for the 2 of these, and then you would get a $4 register reward, making them a $1 moneymaker. So definitely a awesome deal if you guys can go ahead and do that. I feel like I have more room when I'm in my husband's car than I am in the van, but my van's bigger, so yeah. So I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste. Now this is the deal of the week along with that Crest deal, so you guys have to do these in separate transactions. But these were $3.99. I had that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3.98 for it, but then you get that $4 register reward, making them both for free. So yes, you'd get that $4 register reward. And those are store coupons, you guys. So usually that means a store coupon is one or the other. But I ended up having like, not one like this is 20%, but I ended up having the spend 15, get $5 in cash. I ended up using one of those Catalinas and this Catalina in the same transaction, and they both worked. Usually you can only use one store coupon per transaction, but it let me do both, and I got points, and I was able to use a register reward. So just giving you guys a heads up if you guys are doing that deal. My store had this Soap and Glory Lift and Curl Mascara on clearance for $1.49. Then after I checked out, I realized I got charged regular price for this, so we had to adjust it. But I thought I would try it out. It says no clumps, smudge proof, lift and curl. I'm like, I'll try it for $1.49. I'm right now wearing CoverGirl, where I got it in my Walmart beauty box, and I'm not a big fan of it because it like makes a mess on my eyelids. So if I can try something like this, we will see, but for $1.49, I couldn't pass that up. I also got the Reese's peanut butter cups. I got the pieces and then I got the cups. These were $2.99. You would, there is that $1 off of 2 coupon that you guys want to use. You would get these for just $4.98 or $2.49. So if you need some stuff for the baskets, or just like I like these cut up and eat them in my ice cream, definitely go ahead and do that. I got my Palmolive. Now I didn't even check if this rang up at clearance price because my store had it on clearance for 99 cents. I did 3 transactions. So this rang up at the wrong price. I didn't check it. It rang up at, it says 84 cents. So maybe that was, yeah, it was 99 cents. Sorry, I have an employee discount, so it messes it way up. But this was on clearance for 99 cents. And then I had that 50-cent off coupon, which did come off. So this came out to be just 49 cents. So great deal. My store still has a lot of like cleaning products on clearance, but it's not marked down cheap enough yet. So still waiting for that to come through. So I ended up getting the Dollar Shave Club. I got the shaving cream. These were $6.99 at buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $10.48 for this, but then you get 1,500 points times 2 with Fetch Rewards, so $1.50, so $3 back, and you get a $5 register reward, which I just had, and now you get that $5 register reward, making it $2.48 or just $1.24. Now, if your store has the cans, those would end up like being 98 cents, which is a great deal. So I got that. Now, I got the free women's deodorant. Now, there is some different scenarios, and I did share with you guys on that. But here's what I gotta explain. So, I went to submit my receipt. And as I was submitting my receipt, the app showed I would get 800 points instead of the 650 points, I think is what it was showing. So, 800 points is $3.20 when I went to submit it. And then when I submitted it, it said that it didn't work, they're having difficulties. And so I went to go back to resubmit it and it was gone. But then I checked my Kicks activities and it took it twice. So I'm not sure what's going on. But there is a deal where you guys can do the degree. Now, it might be cheaper if you buy one of the women's and one of the men if you're going to do the Shopkick deal, but not do the Fetch Rewards deal. So it's you can just however you want to do it. But these were $7.49. Buy one, get one 50% off. You'd use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $7.23. So if you buy one of the men's or one of the women's, you'd pay $7.23 no matter what. I got 2 of the women's, $7.23. But then I was supposed to get 665 points, which is $2.66 for one of them. But like I said, it changed it as I was submitting my receipt, but then when I went back to look at the other item, it was still showing. So it's kind of confusing. But then with Fetch Rewards, if you buy 2 of the women's or 2 of the men's separately, you get 2,500 points. So that's $2.50. So this comes out to be just $2.07 or $1 for each. It's like 95 cents if you buy one of the men's and one of the women's and submit your receipt, but it's actually going to be a moneymaker possibly if it is 800 points on Shopkicks. I know it's kind of confusing, but that's just how it goes. So that was my haul, you guys. My total came to $31.34. Now, I always pay with points. I always pay with register rewards, so that is not my true total, but I always like to share with you guys what it would be if I was just, you know, paying for the stuff by myself. But I did receive $12.44 worth of points. I did have a booster for spending $15. You get $5 back. And then I also had another booster, which it looks like they both worked in the same transaction, because like one of them I got $12.40 something cents for that. With register rewards, I did receive $13. It was the 2 $4 and the 5. And then I didn't get anything for Ibotta. I didn't do anything for Ibotta this week, which is okay. But Fetch Rewards, I received 5,731 points, which is $5.73. With Shopkicks, I received 815 points, which is $3.26. So $3.26 times 2 if you guys do the men and the women's, just saying. But my grand total came to be a $3.09 moneymaker. So I got everything for free and I made a profit, which I'm pretty excited for. Yeah, so I got to take those Easter items out of my bags because my kids are like, what'd you get for me? And I can't let them see it. My son's at that age where he's almost there, and I was shopping yesterday and these ladies are like, my son was with me, and these ladies are like, yeah, I'm shopping for all my Easter stuff for my kids, and I'm like, will you shut up? Like I have my son right next to me. Thankfully Ben, you know, didn't catch on. And then we went to another store and another lady mentioned something, and I'm just like, you guys, like, I understand your kids are littler, but my kid's 8 years old. He's still's there. Just let it be. This might be his last year and I'm just not ready for it yet. But it was just like, come on. But yeah, so that was interesting. I was just like, seriously, thank you, kid, for not paying attention the one time he wasn't paying attention. So yeah, but I'm pretty excited for that. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already for more money savings deals. I have a couple things that I'm going to share with you guys that's new to my channel. I just got to have a day where I can record with no children in my house. But I got a couple things that I'm excited to share with you guys about. So make sure you guys give this great big video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.